it's Kato Weather here. Today I'm going to give you another update on the tropics as yes, they are starting to get more active again as we did have winter weather which is still going on actually. But today we're going to be talking about the tropics. We have Tropical Storm Paulette and Tropical Storm Rene now in the tropics as they are pretty strong, but they have no threats to land, at least the United States, in the next coming days. So they are not a major threat, but they are pretty strong tropical storms here in the tropics. We also have lots of disturbances in effect, so you're not going to miss out on today's video, so stay tuned. Now, yes, we did have winter weather activity. As you can see, we had a lot more winter weather alerts. They are now calming down. So, just an update on that. But back to the tropics. Yes, we do have these storms. You have a disturbance right here. Pretty big disturbance. Pretty big high chance of formation. This has a 80% chance of seeing even another disturbance. We already have two tropical storms. So yes, it's getting really active now. We have two tropical storms, like I just said. And we have a pretty small disturbance close to the United States near North Carolina and South Carolina coast. That has a pretty small chance, only a 30% chance of formation, but still means we could see some kind of tropical disturbance in there. Just watching out for that. And also in the eastern Pacific, close to Mexico, we do have two disturbances, both 20% chance. So mainly in this area we're watching out here. Pretty low concern, but definitely a big area that we're also watching, and nothing in the central Pacific currently. So our main focus is the Atlantic, where we do have the tropical storms. Now let's get to the actual tropical storm. We start off with Tropical Storm Paulette and its infrared satellite. So this is its infrared satellite. As you can see, kind of gotten a low just for a little tiny bit of time, but look, this thing is like, nope, I'm not going to calm down. It's very strong right now. Very strong tropical storm. Definitely don't think it's going to be, actually, it could be hurricane, but I don't think it's going to be hurricane sizes. But it is a pretty strong tropical storm. As you see, we do have that circular rotation there, a little bit circular rotation, and we do see very, very strong rainfall. This is what makes it really strong. We have really strong rainfall in that. That's what's making it very strong tropical storm, but definitely very strong. But the good thing is this is not near land. This is just in the ocean right now. Now let's get to the live infrared satellite on Tropical Storm Rene, and as you can see, it is a bit, just about the same actually. Same, so you'll see that purple, very strong rain. It just looks like it's a little bit smaller in size, but do not let that fool you. This thing is about to rapidly intensify, and this could be a hurricane at some point. So yes, it has very strong rain, but definitely just not now. Now we see this, but later we could see even way stronger. I'll show you the future models coming up, so stay tuned. But this is the live infrared satellite, and this definitely see very strong. And you see this hurricane-like kind of form here. This indicates that it's going to be very strong and could possibly be a hurricane. Now, this is very weak right now, very small, pretty unorganized. Yeah, it's very unorganized here, but definitely it is very strong. And just see these kind of like things surrounding it, those edges there, that is a sign that's very strong. Now let's get to the actual track on Paulette. So this is the one we just first looked at. As you can see, it is not expected to be a hurricane, but could make impacts on Bermuda here. So definitely be alert there. But definitely it's tropical storm as the rest of the way we see it until 2 p.m. Monday, but could be sticking around for a while. And we switch over to Tropical Storm Rene, as you can see here. As you can see, it is planned to be a hurricane, but it's going to be a hurricane for a very short amount of time. So hurricane here by 2 a.m. Saturday, and by 2 p.m. Sunday, it weakens to a tropical storm already again. So just a very short amount of time, but definitely see this right now. It's pretty strong, but as you can see, it's going to organize, and once it organizes to and gets way stronger, it's going to be a hurricane. Then it unorganizes, lets everything out, and goes back to a tropical storm and weakens, and then it will dissipate. And yes, so that means it's going to organize and it will be more strong with more rain. But good thing is this is not expected to hit land at all. Now we go ahead and take a look here at the GFS model. So just a note before I start, the NOAA data center is having problems causing GFS and some other models to be delayed here on the tropical tidbits on their website. So just saying this may be delayed a little bit, but we go ahead and timestamp in the future, and this one is not really expected to intensify that much at all. As you can see, we do see that it is around kind of that circular tropical storm form, like still from pretty heavy rain here, but definitely still very weak. As you can see, from now I think it's just going to get weaker. Tropical Storm Paulette, I don't think that's going to get any stronger. But then we switch over and we talk about Tropical Storm Rene, which right now I don't they're about the same, but this might be our biggest story, Tropical Storm Rene in the tropics. Look what happens when we fast this forward. So, pretty strong. And then look at this. So we're starting to see this is pretty normal for a tropical storm. Seeing definitely that rotation there. See that kind of more organized. See those lines and they circle there, indicating it's getting stronger, it's getting more organized, it's getting more powerful. And then what comes out of nowhere? Boom! Did you see that? Look how big this thing got. And so this, you're probably wondering, how can it intensify that fast? It was literally just super small. Into this well, it's not actually super organized. Well, if you look at this from here, it's not super organized, but look how organized this is. One circle. These straight lines, circle lines here, means it's very organized and because lots of rain. You might be wondering, what just happened? Well, it is expected to intensify very fast into a hurricane. But this, once this intensifies to this, as you can see on the screen right now, it's going to weaken. So this very big thing you see on your screen right now is definitely going to weaken very quickly after this happens. But definitely strong, not going to hit land, at least while it's a hurricane, which is a good thing. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you like weather-related videos. Yes, again, like I just showed, Tropical Storm Rene is supposed to be a very strong hurricane. And then Tropical Storm Paulette is going to not be such a strong. It's not even going to be a hurricane, but it's definitely two very strong hurricanes. Tropical storms in the tropics right now that we're watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you like weather-related videos, the reason why I haven't uploaded in a while is because I'm pretty busy with school. So definitely, I am busy at school, but I am keeping you guys updated on the weather. If you have any weather questions, don't forget to comment that down below, and I should be able to answer them. But stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!